Okay, so we announced on our Instagrams that we're doing it again.
What are we doing?
We're moving. We're packing all the stuff up in the boxes.
Lots of them over here.
So many.
You'll get to see them shortly.
And I've gotten so many messages. Where are you going?
What are y'all doing? Where are you moving to?
What's next? We're here to tell you the answer. Drum roll, please. We're moving nowhere.
And everywhere.
I think we need to explain.
That's going to take a while.
Okay, we have to go pack first.
Alright, let's show you instead.
So if you're new around here, we've done this before.
Twice.
Times 2.
Yes.
We've left on one-way tickets around the world twice. We've done some, I'm pretty grateful. I'm feeling pretty, I don't know. I still sometimes wake up and feel like I'm like living a dream. We've like snorkeled in the Maldives.
Hung out with elephants in Thailand.
Found our favorite place on earth, Scotland.
It's a pretty amazing country. Gone to a few wonders of the world.
Just so many incredible experiences and memories, and we decided we wanted to do it again. So here's why.
I've always talked about and preached to get out of your comfort zone. Years ago when we started traveling, or before we even started traveling, and I left this town in Kentucky where I was growing up, I was ready to get out of my comfort zone. I was ready to break out of there and to do anything, to go anywhere else. When I talk about that, I don't want to just talk about it, and I want to actually lead by example. And the only way to do that, and lead by example of getting out of your comfort zone, is actually getting out of my comfort zone.
For me, we were looking at, this lease was coming to an end, along with 2020 coming to an end. All these chapters closing, we were looking at new leases or buying a house. We even discussed buying a house. And there was just a point of doing that we were like, what are we doing? We were like, we don't have a mortgage. We don't have jobs to go to. Not that we don't work. We
work online.
We both
very
work
remote.
remotely. We have work that can come anywhere with us. We have absolutely nothing tying us into one place and a passion for travel. What are we doing?
Why not travel, right? Moving day.
Time to go. So after a lot of packing and just a little bit of play, we found success.
We are locked and loaded, completely moved our one-bedroom apartment into this giant U-Haul truck.
And we're gonna eat burritos on the way.
Yep.
Or at least I am. I don't know if you can eat while you're driving. I wouldn't. Okay.
All right.
So we slept in our apartment last night.
We always forget how tedious or time-consuming moving is, or can be.
It's just a lot. So we have
And
Operation...
she's looking at our stuff that we still have left.
Yes. So now it's Operation Cleanup. We already had Operation Coffee.
Very much needed.
Much
After sleeping
needed.
on the floor, aka air mattress.
And we found out we might be too old for air mattresses now. But we are going to go clean up the rest of this apartment, and then we're going to take you to our first stop.
All right, let's go. What you doing?
Getting the air out of the air mattress.
It's one way.
Kind of a muscle into that.
Where are we going?
To our new view.
Look at that view.
I'm literally so obsessed. Let me just take you to our backyard. Don't be afraid to come here.
So yeah, we're traveling the world again, and we're at our first stop, New Smyrna Beach, Florida. We're hanging out here for the holidays, visiting family, and we cannot wait to show you around.
We already have our first 5 stops planned, and to find out what those are, the suspense continues. You have to hit that subscribe button and hang around. We can't wait to take you around the world.